Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you a nice healthy noodles recipe. Before we move into the video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular notifications. In a kadai, I'm going to take about 4 glasses of water. When the water starts getting lukewarm, I'm just going to add a little bit of salt and a packet of jowar and ragi made noodles which I've got from the market. I'm going to close it for some time so the noodles gets cooked nicely. Now you can see the noodles is soft and nice. So at this stage I'm going to strain it off to take off the water completely. And I will add cold water to this strained noodles and keep it aside. In the same kadai, I'm going to add little bit of oil and add veggies of your choice like cabbage and 1 cup of carrot, and I have also added 1 cup of capsicum, and to this I'm going to add little bit of salt, and I will add little bit of water for the veggies to be cooked, and close it with a lid and leave it for some time. After some time I'm going to add very little bit, that is about 2 teaspoons of dark soya sauce. Then I'm going to add little bit of white pepper. After adding this I'm going to add the cooked noodles which we had kept it aside and mix it well. At this stage I have switched off the flame to make sure the noodles doesn't stick with each other, and I've also added spring onions to garnish, and the noodles, healthy noodles, is ready to be served. See you soon with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye, take care, and thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.